Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to solve 7th sum from question number 7 exercise 1c. The question says rationalize the denominator. The sum given is 4 minus root 5 upon 3 plus root 5. As we did in the previous videos, we are going to solve the sum in same manner. First step, copy the sum as it is. The sum given is now we are going to multiply and divide whatever the value of denominator is given, that we are going to multiply and divide, but we are going to take its conjugate. That means it is a plus sign. We are going to change it into a minus sign. So this will become 3 minus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. Now in the next step, we are going to follow the multiplication. Now these two are different numbers with different brackets, these two in the numerator. So we are going to take, first we will merge the two brackets. This is plus and this is minus. That means it is in the form of a square minus b square. So this will become 3 square minus root 5 square. Now these two are different brackets. So we are going to multiply each number from the first bracket with the whole bracket, which is second bracket. That means 4 we are going to take and the whole bracket. Again minus root 5 is remaining, so put minus sign, minus root 5 and the whole bracket. Divide this, 3 3s becomes 9 minus root 5 into root 5 is 5. Next we are going to take 4 3s are 12 minus 4 into root 5 becomes 4 root 5 minus 5 root 5 into 3 becomes 3 root 5 and root 5 into root 5 becomes 5. Minus into minus will become plus, divided by 9 minus 5, which becomes 4. Now here 12 plus 5 number we are going to add. So this becomes 17 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 and root 5. So we can subtract because under roots are the same. So minus 4 and minus 3. Minus minus becomes plus, sign remains minus. It becomes minus 7 root 5 divided by 4. So this is the final answer for the sum. Now let's see second sum. Next sum, that is 8th sum. Two root 5 minus 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 4. Copy the sum as it is. 2 root 5 minus 3 divided by 3 root 2 minus 4. Take the conjugate of the denominator, that is 3 root 2 plus 4 divided by 3 root 2 plus 4. Now again follow the same procedure. Merge the two brackets together. this is a square plus and minus form, that is in the form of a square. This becomes your a, this becomes your b. And here this is 3 root 2 plus 4. Take this, multiply with this whole bracket. Again take this, multiply with the whole bracket, and divide by. Now here 3 3 is 9, root 2 into root 2, or we may split this. 3 3 is 9, root 2 into root 2 is 2, minus 4 4 is 16. Next, 3 2s becomes 6, 5 2s 10, under root 4 2s 8, root 5, 3 3s 9, root 2, 4 3s 12, plus into minus becomes minus 9 2s 18, minus 16. Now here all the roots are different, we can't add or we can't subtract, right? So this could be our final answer, that is 6 root 10 plus 8 root 5 minus 9 root 2 upon minus 12 upon 18 minus 16 becomes 2. Ninth sum will proceed to. Ninth sum is again we'll follow the same step. First step, copy the sum as it is. Second step, multiply with the denominator given, just take the conjugate. Now merge the two brackets. This is whole square and this will also be whole square, and here minus sign, this will be minus sign, or we'll write it again. This is 3 root 3 minus 2, 2 root 7 minus 1 divided by, this is a, this is b, so this will be a square plus into minus is minus b square. Okay, next, now here 3 root 3 will take, multiply with the second whole bracket, again minus 2 will take, multiply whole with the second bracket, divided by. Now here we may split, 2 square is 4 into root 7 into root 7 is 7 minus 1. Now here we'll see the answer. 3 2s become 6, 7 3s 21, it is under root, minus 3 root 3 minus 2 2s becomes 4 root 7, 2 1s becomes 2, minus into minus becomes plus, 7 7 4s are 28 minus 1. Next, we are going to see whether there is any of the common bracket or not. So for that, we are going to check out whether we are finding any common bracket or we aren't finding any common bracket. You may solve it further, but it is better that you keep this answer over here only, because roots are different. We may split this 9 into 3 also, so you'll get 3 root 3, but you may keep your answer till here. Just conclude 6 root 21 minus 3 root 3 minus 4 root 7 plus 2, because it's not going to be of use. This is root 7, so we didn't further rationalize it. This becomes 27. So this was question number 7, 8, 9 from exercise 1C, question number 7. Thank you.